Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a project share. I'm using the items that I received from Inlovearts, and I will have all the information, the product links, and an amazing coupon code in the description box. And don't forget to use your coupon code, because it will save you some money. Um, I will also put the unboxing so you can see um all of the things that I received. And I believe they were all dies. And so the ones that I am going to share today, I made some projects using this large snowflake die. And it is 3 pieces. You get the snowflake, you get the layering piece, and then you get the a little circle. I did not use the circle. So that is one. This here is a set of little reindeers, and you get the left and the right. So when you cut these out, you have a left and you have a right. So I really, really like that. And then I use this bow die here, and I actually picked up 2 of them because when I do bows or flowers, I tend to want to make a lot. So this makes it faster, if you just have 2 of the dies. So that is what I use for these projects here. Now what I did, this is how I did the snowflake. I just really decorated these so they're ready to go. So you can see that this is a glitter background, and then that is the intricate snowflake. So that's how it cuts out, like that. And I think I have one in here. I do. Let me get it. I have an extra one cut out so you can really see how it cuts out. So this is the layering piece here. Okay. And then this is the snowflake. Oh, ain't that so pretty? It is so pretty. It is intricate, but it's not that bad. It is really not bad. And look how pretty it cuts out. Let's see. You can see it a little bit better like that. Oh, it's so pretty. And then when you layer it up, that's what you get right here. So pretty. So this is the snowflake. This is the 2 little reindeers that I told you get the left and the right. And this is the bow. That is how the bow looks when you put it on. So I did several of these, and I used 2 on a project, and then this one is, these are ready to go. So I did this one. This is a pink and gold. And then this one is the pink and red. So I just did a little, it comes with a little band that you wrap to hold the bow together. But I just had a little poinsettia flower that I put in the center of the bows. And then I had these little acrylic bows in my stash. Now, this is actually like an earring die. So you can see it has the little hole right there. So I just put those little bows just to cover up the little hole. And it is so cute. So I had to put a little necklace on. So I used some little, like 1 millimeter little stones. And I made a little necklace on both of them. So that is those 2. And I made 4, but I was making some little Merry Mail. So I made this pocket to hold a few things, and this is what I put. This is how I used it. Now this red is actually The glitter red is actually a sticky foam, like you can peel the back. So it gave it a little, you can see a little dimension there because it's like a foam, a glitter foam. I did all of them the same way. I just used different color bows and little bling and then different little flowers. So that is that one. And I just got some little goodies in here. Nothing else was from, Inlovearts in here, but the main piece there. So that is that one. Uh-oh. And then here is this one. And this one is red and white. And this one is golden red. And I just put the little pink glitter, little reindeers on there. So I am loving this snowflake and these little reindeer. I mean, all of it. It's a must-have in your stash because they are so adorable. And I especially love the left and the right, the way it cuts out. You can always, make something left and right, but you're not going to have that clean cut once you have to turn it the other way. So I am loving that. And you can cut them out at the same time because you get both of them like this. So I am really loving all three of these dies, and they go really well together. So that is my first project share for Inlovearts. And like I said, everything will be in the description box. So make sure you go check out all of the links. And don't forget, if you order anything, don't forget to use your coupon code. And that is it for my first project share. And I thank you all for watching. And I will see you on the next video.